Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to manually create accounts for your students using a username. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. If you have not yet created a class, you'll first need to create one by clicking Create Class. Continue by clicking the class you'd like to add the students to. If you are adding students to your class for the first time, you'll automatically land on the Students page. If not, click Students at the top. From here, click Manually Create Accounts on the left-hand side. Because we are creating an account with a username and a password, you can go ahead and click the link that says Click Here. If you are looking to create multiple accounts at once, or you would like to try our key code feature, you can scroll down and continue, or check out the video also attached to this help doc or the video we have on our YouTube. Once you have clicked the link, you'll be prompted to enter your student's information. Enter their first and last name and create a username and a password of at least 8 characters. You also have the option to add their student ID if you would like. This is useful for if you are exporting reports and organize your students by their student number. Once you have entered your student's information, click Create Account at the bottom. A pop-up will appear with the username and the password you created for your student. Please share this information with your student and direct them to ellii.com/students to log in. That's it for this video on how to manually create accounts for your students using a username. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.